Assalamu alaikum students. Class 7, exercise 18A, question number 7. How many 30 centimeter cubes can be cut out of a cube whose volume is 135 cubic meters? This is a cube whose volume is 135 cubic meters. We have to find the how many small cubes can be cut out from this big cube, and the length of this small cube is 130 centimeter. The length of this cube is 30 centimeter. So we have to find the volume of this cube and then we have to divide their volumes. Volume of a big cube is equal to 135 meter cube is given in the question. Length of side of small cube L is equal to 30 centimeter. This is in centimeter, so we have to convert into meters. So we have to divide 30 over 100, that is equal to 0.3 meters. Now we have to find the volume of this cube. This is a cube, so its length, breadth and height will be same. So volume of the small cube is equals to length multiplied by length multiplied by length, that is equals to 0.3 meter multiplied by 0.3 meter multiplied by 0.3 meter, that is equals to 0.027 meter cube. Number of cubes that can be cut, that is equals to volume of the big cube over volume of the small cube, 135 over 0.027. We have to remove the point and we get 1000 in the numerator. On the table of 9, 9 3 are 27 and 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 multiplied by 1000, that is equals to 5000. So number of cube that can be cut is equals to 5000. Question number 8. The lengths are in the ratio 1:2, breadths in the ratio 3:5 and heights in the ratio 4:5. So there are two cuboids. First cuboid length is 1. The second length of the cuboid is 2, are in the ratio, as well as breadth and height. Find the ratio of their volumes. So two cuboids are given, their length, their breadth and their heights are in the ratio form. So we have to find the volume of the two cuboids and then we have to find the ratio. So ratio in length of cuboid is 1:2. Ratio in breadth of cuboids is equal to 3:5. Ratio in heights of cuboids is equal to 4:5. This is not given in the question that it is cuboid. We have to suppose that their length, their breadth and their height is not same, 1:2, 3:5. So this is a cuboid. Now let's suppose length of the lengths of two cuboids is equals to 1x, 2x. Breadth is equals to 3x, 5x. Heights 4x, 5x. Now we have to find the volume of first cuboid. The length of first cuboid is x, breadth is 3x and height is 4x. So length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, that is equals to x multiplied by 3x multiplied by 4x, that is equals to 12x cube. Volume of the second cuboid is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, that is equals to 2x multiplied by 5x multiplied by 5x, that is equals to 50x cube. Now this is the volume of the first cuboid and this is the volume of the second cuboid. We have to find the ratio between their volumes. So ratio in volume is equals to 12x cube ratio 50x cube. X cube will be cancelled out with this x cube and we get 12 ratio 50. On dividing the table 2, we get the answer 2 6 are 12 and 2 25 are 50. So the ratio between the cuboids, the volume of the cuboids is 6:25. Question number 9. The walls and ceiling of a room are to be plastered. The length, breadth and height of the room are 9 meter, 6 meter and 4 meter respectively. So it means length is equal to 9 meter, breadth is equal to 6 meter and height is equal to 4 meter. Find the cost of plastering at the rate of rupees 100 per square meter. So first of all we have to write the length, breadth and height of the walls and ceiling of the room. Then we have to find the total surface area, and the total surface area will be equals to the area of the four walls plus the area of the ceiling. Length of a room L is equal to 9 meter, breadth of a room is equal to 6 meter and height of a room is equal to 4 meter. We have to find the total surface area. The total surface area will be equal to area of four walls plus area of ceiling. Area of walls are in the cuboid form, so we had to put the formula 2h into L plus B. And area of ceiling, ceiling is in the rectangle form, only length and breadth will be considered in the rectangle, so length multiplied by breadth. Height is equal to 4 meter, length is equal to 9 meter and breadth is equal to 6 meter. length is equals to 9 meter and breadth is equals to 6 meter. So 2 4s are 8 meter, 9 plus 6 15 meter, 15 into 8 120 meter square, 9 6 are 54 meter multiplied by meter square plus 54, and we get the answer 174 meter square after their addition. Rate of plastering per square meter is given the question ₹100. So we have to find the cost of plastering at 174 meter square, that is equals to ₹100 multiplied by 174, and the answer is ₹17,400.